Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Aldrin Ramos, and for today's vlog, we're gonna be doing a little unboxing. So I got a package from London Rag, and it's an international brand that sells clothes, accessories, and mainly shoes. So I got shoes from them, and I just received the package. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the package. And ito siya, medyo malaki. So they DM'd me, or they messaged me on Instagram and asked to collaborate, or they're asking if they could send me shoes for my shoots, and for something that I can use for my clients. So ayun, so I selected 4 pairs of shoes from them, and we'll check the package now. So first time ko actually to make an unboxing video or vlog. Ayan. But since it's fashion related naman, so pasok pa rin siya sa content natin. Medyo masok. And so I'm so excited to show you guys the shoes. I actually selected some classic pieces for some classic pieces, something that I can use all the time for my shoots and for my clients. And so I got boots, loafers, and high heels, and I really can't wait to check the quality. On photos sa Instagram ng London Rag, they really have chic and modern pieces. So that's also one of the reasons why I said this, because I saw that I would be able to use them. Unboxing. Yung naka-video. Ito na siya. I love chicken nuggets! Charot. Hi, Melay. Alright, so here are the shoes. So we got 4. This is the first. And then this is the second. Ayan. Pretty nice packaging. I love the font. Is it monotype cursiva? Ganda. Ayan. And this is the third. And last. Ang kind of different. Siguro old packaging nila. Ayan. Anyway, so we'll start with this one. So ito yung loafers. It's all in size 39. By the way, the shoes. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Pure leather. Authentic leather. Guys, I could actually use this as well. So this is the first one. Let me check. Ang ganda. Super nice. Ganda. Ayan, ito siya. So, it's real leather. Ganda. Let's see. Oh, it's so nice. So this is the first one I got from them. So it's classic and chic. Ayan. So we'll start with small ones first. Ayan. So this is the second. Cute packaging. So ito yung high heels for some shoots I can use and for such events for my clients. So I got another black kasi it's classic and you can pair it with anything. Ayan. Ito yung medyo nausong lace up high heels. Ayan. Ganda. So chic. What I like about this is that it's very sexy. Kaya pinili ko siya. And the heels, look at that. High heels talaga. Ang ganda. And also the strap, it's a single strap. So, and thin strap, nakaka-sexy siya. So I really like it. It's sexy and chic. I could use it for my celebrity clients or for some shoots and events. Ayan. Nice. And then last, the third, I need to say. So this is the boots. So I got two boots. Ayan. So this is the first one. I got ankle boots. Ito siya. So let's open it. Ang ganda. I guess it's synthetic. It's not real leather, but it's really nice. Classic din siya. You know, I don't know if it's classic, but for me it's classic, or to me at least. It's nice. Plus, super gaan. Hindi siya heavy. Like, I was expecting that these boots would be too heavy kasi it's chunky and you know it's leather. And with that kind of platform, so it's a platform boots. It looks heavy, but it's actually very lightweight. Super lightweight na. For sure it's gonna be comfortable because it's lightweight. So that's the third one. So we'll go with the fourth. Then the knee-high boots, or I'm sorry, the thigh-high boots. Ayan. So this is the last, guys. It's also in white. It's a thigh-high boots. I don't have a white thigh-high boots, so this is the reason why I chose this. And I don't know if it's real leather. I guess it's not. It's not, but it actually looks real. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Super nice. It's for editorial and for tapings for my clients, for lobby. I guess. So they're all in size 39. So something that I could use for everyone. Ayan. So ayan siya. Super nice. It's not actually white, it's cream. Ganda. So those are the 4 pairs. We're done with the unboxing. Thank you so much, London Rag, for sending these shoes over. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love the shoes. I can't wait to use them for my future shoots and events or styling. For my styling tips. Yeah. Thank you so much, London Rag. Once again, please visit their website. They really have chic and modern pieces, not just shoes. They also sell clothes and accessories. But like what I said, they mainly sell shoes. It's a shoe brand. I love everything. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you guys. Till next vlog.